Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best large BP cuff is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone managing their cardiovascular health at home, offering a convenient and reliable way to monitor blood pressure without frequent clinic visits. This device is designed for individuals with larger arm circumferences, ensuring accurate readings where standard cuffs might fall short, making it an indispensable part of a proactive health regimen for a wide range of users seeking peace of mind and better control over their well-being. Number 5. Dixie EMS Teal Blood Pressure and Stethoscope Kit. Introducing a deluxe kit perfect for doctors and nurses. It bundles two high-quality medical instruments into one convenient package. This latex-free blood pressure cuff is designed for adult arms, fitting circumferences between 10 and 16 inches. Its PVC inflation bag allows for precise and rapid measurements, easily operated with a single finger. The manometer features a high-contrast dial for accurate and easy-to-read blood pressure measurements. A sturdy clip attaches it to your clothing or belt when not in use. This dual-head stethoscope is designed for patients of all ages, ideal for medical professionals and students. Its flexible ear tubes and adjustable design ensure a comfortable fit. Your order includes a complete accessory kit and a deluxe carrying case. This secure, water-resistant case keeps your equipment protected during transport. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit for medical professionals. It includes both a blood pressure cuff and a stethoscope, plus accessories and a carrying case. If you are a doctor or nurse looking for an all-in-one solution for patient monitoring, this is a great choice. What people say. The cuff is easy to put on, the gauge reads clearly, and the bulb inflates smoothly without sticking. It gives consistent readings. The stethoscope delivers clear sound quality, and both pieces are durable for daily use. There are two markers on the cuff for left or right placement. Great for a starter or in school. Number 4. Dixie EMS Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. Introducing the Dixie EMS Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer, your reliable partner for precise blood pressure readings. This comprehensive set ensures you can monitor your health with confidence. This deluxe set includes everything you need for adult blood pressure monitoring. It comes with a comfortable adult cuff, a durable carrying case, and a calibration tool. Designed for simplicity, it's easy to use for both healthcare professionals and home users. Regular calibration ensures its continued accuracy and reliability. The included carrying case makes it easy to transport and protect your device. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand daily use. Invest in your health with this essential medical tool. It provides accurate and consistent measurements, helping you stay informed about your cardiovascular well-being. Experience the quality and precision of the Dixie EMS Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. It's built to last and deliver dependable performance every time. What we like. This offers a complete blood pressure monitoring set with essential tools. The inclusion of a calibration tool ensures accuracy over time. If you are a healthcare provider who values precise measurements and wants a reliable, easy-to-maintain device, this is the one for you. What people say. Highly recommend as it took accurate BPs. It works properly, gives consistent readings, and didn't arrive with any surprises. Amazing quality, it worked great for class and I still keep it in my bag as a backup for if one of the other cuffs on the truck have an issue. Number 3. Santamedical Adult Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. Take accurate blood pressure readings with this professional-grade device. It's designed for reliable and easy use. The included black cuff is designed for adult comfort and a secure fit. Ensure precise measurements every time. Keep your monitor protected and portable with the included carrying case. It's perfect for on-the-go use. This device features a stylish light black finish. It combines functionality with a modern aesthetic. Monitor your health effectively with this essential tool. It provides the accuracy you need for peace of mind. What we like. This is a professional-grade monitor designed for accuracy. It comes with a comfortable adult cuff and a protective carrying case. If you are a healthcare professional who needs a dependable and portable blood pressure monitor without a stethoscope, consider this option. What people say. It's accurate and it has a handy carrying bag. So far it has worked great. Great to have a really good, reliable, BP instrument after using a more modern, easier to use, but less accurate device. This manual blood pressure kit is well made and comes with everything neatly packed in a carrying case. The materials feel durable, and it works as expected for regular at-home use. Number 2. YUWELL Large Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. Introducing the YUWELL Blood Pressure Monitor, designed for accurate and easy readings at home. Its large cuff ensures a comfortable and precise measurement every time. View your results clearly on the large digital display. It's designed for effortless readability, making it simple to track your health. Keep a detailed record of your health with the ability to store up to 99 readings. This feature helps you monitor trends over time effectively. Hear your results spoken aloud with the convenient voice broadcasting function. This adds an extra layer of ease, especially for those who find reading small text challenging. Get started right away. This device comes complete with both a power adapter and batteries, ensuring you can use it immediately upon unboxing. The YUWELL blood pressure monitor is engineered for your comfort and well-being. Its user-friendly design makes managing your health simpler than ever. What we like. This digital monitor is designed for ease of use at home. Its large display and voice broadcasting make it accessible for many users, and it stores readings for tracking. If you are looking for a user-friendly device to monitor your blood pressure at home, especially if you appreciate auditory feedback, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is easy to use with the press of a button. The cuff will fit the average adult arm. Inflation rate is fairly quick to give you a reading. Something I really like is the big, clear screen, so I can read the numbers effortlessly. It's also ideal if you have to track your health or if someone at home needs constant monitoring. The monitor is very nice and very easy to use. Number 1. ELERA Extra Large Blood Pressure Cuff. Introducing the ELERA Extra Large Blood Pressure Cuff, designed for comfort and accuracy. It fits arm circumferences from 9 to 24 inches, ensuring a proper fit for larger arms. This replacement cuff is compatible with most standard blood pressure monitors. You can easily integrate it into your existing health monitoring routine. Designed for adult use, this cuff is simple to attach and operate. Get accurate readings with minimal hassle. It comes with 6 different connectors, providing versatility for various monitor types. This ensures you have the right fit for your device. Achieve reliable blood pressure measurements with this specially designed XL cuff. It's an essential tool for managing your health effectively. What we like. This is a replacement cuff specifically designed for larger arms. Its extra large size and wide compatibility mean it can work with many existing monitors. If you have larger arms and need a comfortable, accurate cuff, or if your current cuff doesn't fit well, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Works perfectly with my machine. Great for a small adult too. Easy to hook up. Fit great as my arm is small. Inflates great. It works really well for the most part, being accurate and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.